Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got a pair of Proto 2000 BL2s in Chesapeake and Ohio scheme, and I just added the Tsunami sound to them. So I want to demo those guys. So they also have LED lighting in them. Let's do this. Replaced all cracked gears in these things as well. So both engines have brand new gear sets in both of them. And this is out of the box. I didn't even do any speed matching to them, and it looks like they run pretty good together. That's obviously not the right horn. But yeah, it's amazing. The Proto 2000 engines usually get a knock for being, you know, less quality or poor runners or whatever. And I'll tell you something, they really aren't. Most of the problem with the Proto 2000 engines was the grease that they used. They used the wrong kind of grease. It freezes up the worm gears, and a lot of times you'll pull these out of the box, you'll put them on the track, they won't even run because of the worm gears, and the gear sets in between the wheel sets crack. If you just fix those two problems and clean up the motor, the open motor, I usually clean that up with Goo Gone while the engine's running. You can get an engine that runs pretty good. So and you can see at very low speeds they run without hesitation, jerking, or whatever. So, and the thing about these older Protos, you can't get some of these, like these BL2s, you can't get them in anything other than a Proto. So, but alright, that's basically it. My heater's going on, so that's going to be annoying, but you kind of get the idea. Thanks for watching. Bye.